Myself Sushankar Reddy. I am from aerobic section. Today's topic is Newton's second law in polar coordination. Newton's second law in polar coordinates. In classical mechanics, Newton's law of motion are three laws that describe the relationship between the motion of an object and the force acting on it. The first law states that an object either remains to rest or continues to move at a constant velocity unless it is acted upon by external force. The second wave law states that the rate of change of momentum of an object is directly proportional to the force applied. For an object with constant mass, that the net force of an object is equal to the mass of that object multiplied by the acceleration. The states that when one object exerts a force on a second object, that second object exerts a force that is equal in magnitude and opposite in direction of the first object. The three laws of motion were first complained by Newton in his physiology of many physical objects and systems, which laid the foundation for Newton mechanism. Derivation of Newton's second law in polar coordinates. In coordinates, dy by dx x equal plus y into y plus x equal to x plus y in polar coordinates. As position of an object changes in a polar coordinates, the direction of changes is to always point towards the object. Therefore, to determine what is the imagine a point moving along a unit circle from the change in position of r equal to rf minus r of ri as a length of lambda naught and points in the direction if only points exactly in a direction when approach 0. Therefore, now we can evaluate it in polar coordinates. If many not to be absolutes, we determine in the figure. So let's move so that it is touches that pi. You can see that the two vectors are parallel, which means that they are in the same vector. Recall the vectors are determined by length and orientation, not by where they are start and end. You many also notice that those two triangles are similar images triangles, which means that the angle between when draw from the midpoint from the arc points towards the center of the circle. Therefore, from this we can read second law of Newton's second law in polar coordinates. Fr equal to m r minus r naught, Fy equal to m r naught plus 2 r naught.